Okay, so we just want to find the antiderivative of this. We have this function over here, and these are trigonometric functions, and they have trig identities. So let's just replace each of these with their trigonometric identities. Okay, great. So we're going to start off by saying the integral of cotangent of x, which is something as cosine over sine, right? So I'm going to put it down as cosine x over the sine of x. And then we're going to divide this by cosecant inverse, so cosecant of x, which is 1 over sine x, all right? So I'm just going to replace that with 1 over sine x, and then we're going to add sine x to that, and then we just put down the dx over here. Okay, great. First, observe that if you multiply to one bottom by sine x, we are going to be left with cosine of x divided by, if you multiply the bottom by sine x, as I said earlier, it's going to be 1 plus sine squared of x, right? Okay, and you put down the dx over here. Okay, great. Let's see what we've got. Okay, here it would be nice to make a trigonometric substitution, a u sub, by saying let u be sine x, all right, just sine x. So if we let u to be just sine x, then you notice that du will become the numerator here, which is cosine of x dx, all right? That's what you get when you differentiate. When you differentiate sine x, you have cosine x. Okay, great. So that means that this integral will now become the integral of cosine x dx is going to become du, right? So we just put it down there as du divided by 1 plus sine squared of x, where u is sine x. So that's just going to become 1 plus u squared. And if you notice, 1 over 1 plus u squared is the same thing when we differentiate arctan u, or you can call it tangent inverse of u. So if you integrate 1 over 1 plus u squared, you're going to get back arctan u, or you call it tangent inverse of u. So I'll just put it down here as this is going to become arctan u, all right? That is after integrating this, I know you're going to have to add an arbitrary constant to that. But we're not done, because this is a u. Okay, we need to get back to the original variable, which is the x variable. So recall that u was sine of x, so we're going to do that replacement. That means you're going to get this to become arctan of u. In place of u, we just put it down as sine x, right? Okay, great. And then we add an arbitrary constant to that, and this right here is the antiderivative of the function we're given. Okay, great. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.